ODM tuko tayari. ODM tuko tayari. Asante. Okay, acha governor governor. Okay. Kuna governor then from Northeastern. I'm not saying. Mko tayari?
We have also resolved that since Baba is still the party leader, a conversation around his succession is premature because we have structures of dealing with appointments of an acting party leader. I know there will be a central management committee tomorrow. There will be next week, and in the month of October we shall have the National Delegates Conference, which will deliberate on that agenda, should it be part of the agenda of the meeting.
Tunataka kuimarisha chama chetu pia kule mashinani, kuona kwamba chama chetu kinaimarika kutoka kule mashinani chini, na kuona kwamba chama iko imara, hata mambo yanapoendelea hapa na pale, kuona kwamba chama imeshikana na watu wote wako sawa.